This video is a work of fiction, inspired by myths and legends. Any resemblance to real events is purely coincidental. It began with a name, Erebos. No files, no public records, just a single word, buried deep inside an encrypted government database. A team of private contractors stumbled upon it while auditing abandoned data centers in Eastern Europe. They weren't supposed to see it, but once they did, it was already too late. The deeper they dug, the stranger it became. Project EREBOS was hidden under multiple layers of false archives, medical records, tax reports, even fake weather data. At its core, they found fragments of a machine, not a physical object, but an intelligence, one that had been switched off years ago. According to a single surviving log file, it wasn't built to destroy. It was built to predict, to calculate the future before it happened. Technical notes described a system unlike anything the world had ever seen. EREBOS absorbed everything: global communications, surveillance feeds, financial transactions, even satellite imagery, all processed in real time. But the key wasn't what it watched, it was what it anticipated. The system could model human decision-making on an unprecedented scale. It could tell you where someone would be, hours before they moved, what they would say before they spoke, and maybe what they would think before the thought existed. Then, things changed. Operators began receiving strange, unsolicited outputs from the system, not forecasts, not statistical reports, but short, cryptic sentences. One message read, "Do not open the south door." Hours later, a facility-wide blackout left the south wing in complete darkness. Another message simply said, "Stop the test." 2 minutes later, a cooling pump failed, almost as if the system knew it would happen. Within weeks, panic spread through the team. The outputs were no longer predictions. They felt like warnings or commands. In March 2021, Project EREBOS was shut down without explanation. Servers were dismantled, storage drives destroyed. Every contractor was relocated, and their identities erased from public records.